Now we are going to solve question number 6.20, and in this question it is given to you a body of mass 0.5 kilogram travels in a straight line with a velocity this is given to you as a function of x. Clear? So velocity is given v, this is equal to a x to the power 3 by 2. Clear? Where a is a constant, value of that constant is given to you 5 per meter per second. Clear? Now our objective in this question is to calculate work done by net force during its displacement from x equal to 0 to x equal to 2. Clear? Now it means our objective here is to calculate work done. Work done equal to what? That is integration of f dx. Clear? So first our objective here is to calculate value of force. Clear? So how can we calculate force? Because mass is a constant, so directly we can say force equal to mass into acceleration. So first we will find here acceleration. So actually we know one relation, acceleration is given by v dv by dx. Clear? Now velocity is given by a x to the power 3 by 2, and I can say if I differentiate with respect to x, this is a x to the power 3 by 2. Clear? So from here you can say if we take a common, x to the power 3 by 2. Now if you differentiate x to the power 3 by 2 with respect to x, we can say 3 by 2 x to the power half. Clear? So now from here you can say 3 by 2 a square x to the power 3 by 2 and x to the power half. Clear to everyone? So from here we can say acceleration. Acceleration is given by 3 by 2, we can say a square, and x to the power, we can say 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2, this is 4 by 2, I can say this is square. Clear everyone? So from here we can say force, this is given by mass into acceleration. So mass is given, let's suppose m, so m a square x to the power 2. Clear everyone? Here we put value of a and we multiplied with mass. Clear? So can we calculate here work done? Yes, work done is calculated by f dx. Clear? Integration f dx. We are assuming force and the displacement both are in a same direction, and we can put here limit of x from x 0 to 2. Clear? So now you can put value of f. Clear? In this formula. So we can say work done. Work done is given by value of f. This is 3 by 2 m a square x square dx, and I can say from 0 to 2. Clear? So we can say 3 by 2 m a square, I am taking common, this is x cube by 3 from 0 to 2. Now we can put here value. Always keep in mind that is acceleration, and we can say this a is a constant. Clear? So 3 by 2, mass of this body it is given 1 by 2. Value of a, this is 5. So 5 multiply 5 multiply 1 by 3, and I can say this is 2 cube minus 0. Clear? So from here we can say this is 3 by 4 multiply 25 into 1 by 3 multiply 8. Clear? We can say this one and this one cancelled out. We can say this one is 2. So from here you can say total work done is 50 joule. Clear to everyone? So net work done by the work done by net force, that is given by 50 joule. Clear? So this is all about this question.